Hi students, in previous aim we have discussed the solution of linear equations in two variables. If only one linear equation in two variables is given, there are infinitely many number of solutions. But whenever two or more linear equations in two variables are there, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, 6x plus 7y is equals to 13, and 6x plus 7z is equal to 19. Here we are taking three linear equations in two variables. In first linear equation in two variables, what are the two variables? X comma y are the variables. In second linear equation, x comma y are the variables. In third linear equation, x comma z are the linear variables. Now, if two or more linear equations are having the same variables, then those two or more linear equations are said to be system of simultaneous linear equations. System of simultaneous linear equations. In two variables. Once again I am saying, two or more linear equations in two variables are having same variables, then that system is called system of simultaneous linear equations. In this name, this word simultaneous itself gives the same variables. So that are these two system of linear equations simultaneous linear equations? No. Why? Because of here the variables are x comma y. In the third equation the variables are x comma z. So that these two are not called system of simultaneous linear equations in two variables. So whenever we have system of simultaneous linear equations, the solution of that system is defined as if that solution x comma y satisfies each and every linear equation in that system. Again, I will give an example. Suppose 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. 5x plus 7y is equals to 12. Are these two system of simultaneous linear equations or not? X comma y are the variables in both the equations, so that this is system of simultaneous linear equations. To say 1 comma 1 as the solution of this system, this 1 comma 1 ordered pair should satisfy these two linear equations. Once verified, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 is equals to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, 1 comma 1 is the solution for 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. And in the come to the second equation, substitute x equals to 1 and y equals to 1 here also. Here also 5 plus 7 equals to 12. We get LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, finally 1 comma 1 is the solution of first linear equation and the solution of second linear equation also. Therefore, 1 comma 1 is said to be solution of system of simultaneous linear equations. So that in this aim number 4, we are going to see the methods to solve system of simultaneous linear equations. System of simultaneous linear equations. Once observe that how many methods are there to solve system of linear equations. Methods to solve system of simultaneous linear equations in two variables. Children, see, there are three methods to solve system of simultaneous linear equations. In that, first method is substitution method. Second one is elimination method. Third one is cross multiplication method. Now, in the same, we are going to know the process of substitution method and elimination method. In next time, we are going to see that how to do the cross multiplication method. Now, let us see substitution method and what steps are involving in substitution method for solving simultaneous linear equations in two variables, and what methods are involving in elimination method. Let us see by taking one example. Substitution method. First one is substitution method. In this method, we have to make one variable as the subject in one equation. That should be replaced in the second equation. That is, I am taking one example to explain this substitution method. See that example. X plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. And another equation is y minus 2 is equal to 2x. First of all, once check it. Are these two simultaneous system of linear equations or not? Yes. X and y are the variables here and there also. Therefore, these two are system of simultaneous linear equation in two variables. Now, using this substitution method, how to solve x and y? In this method, we have to make one variable as the subject, either of these two equations. Let it be 1, let it be 2. Now from 2, I am going to make y as a subject. From 2, I can write y is equal to 2x plus 2. Substitute y equals to 2x plus 2 in equation number 1. Substitute. That's why this is called as the substitution method, because of I am replacing this y by this value. Substitution is there, substitution takes place, so that this method is called substitution method. Now in this y equals to 2x plus 2, substitute in equation number 1. Then what do you get there? X plus y is nothing but 2x plus 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now it becomes as the simple equation. Only one variable is involving. Now simplify it. 3x is equal to 3. X is equal to 1. From 2, y minus 2 is equals to 2x, y is equals to 2x plus 2, substitute x equals to 1. Then y is equals to 2 into 1 plus 2, which is equal to 4. Y equals to 4. Therefore, solution set of this system of simultaneous linear equation is x comma y is equal to 1 comma 4. And need to verify also whether it satisfies the given two equations or not. Need to verify also. One, check it. 1, replace x by 1, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 minus 5 equals to 0, satisfied. Next, come to the next one. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, LHS is equals to 2. What about RHS? RHS, 2 into 1, replace x by 1, 2 into 1 is also 2. Therefore, 2 is equal to 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, then only we will get the conclusion as this is the 1 comma 4 ordered pair is the solution of system of simultaneous linear equations. Next, come to the second method. Substitution method completed. Now come to the elimination method. Elimination method. Elimination, and what are the steps we have to follow in this elimination method? Here also I am going to take one example for explaining this method. Any one of the variables in both the equations should be the coefficients of the any one of the variables in the two equations, make them as equal. Then convert from those two, convert that equation as the simple equation. Solve that simple equation, we will get it. And again, once again I will say, taking the example, same example I am going to take. X plus y is equal to 5 and y minus 2 is equals to 2x. These two are the given examples. Example problem this is. X plus y is equal to 5, y minus 2 is equals to 2x. Previously we did this problem using the substitution method. The same problem we are going to solve using the elimination method. And what steps are involving there? Let it be 1, let it be 2. And again write the two equations as x plus y is equals to 5 and also 2x minus y is equal to minus 2. Just x by x and y by y. Terms, similar terms are in the same manner. Write it, rewrite it again. Then already if you observe y coefficient and y coefficient, here y coefficient is plus 1, here y coefficient is minus 1. Therefore, these two irrespective of the sign, so that add these two, that means here y is eliminated from the, by adding these two, what do you get there? Y is eliminated. y is eliminated, that's why you add these two, let it be equation number 3 and 4, 3 plus 4, do 3 plus 4. Then what do you get there? 3x is equal to y cancel, now which is equal to 3 we will get, that implies that x equals to 1. Again from 1 plus y is equal to 5, y is equal to 4. Why it is called as elimination method? Because of from the two equations one of the variable is eliminated, that's why it is called as the elimination method. And one more example I am going to take which are having the different coefficients. Let us see that problem also in the same method, elimination method. Take 5x minus 3y plus 3 equal to 0, and one more 6x minus 5y minus 2 equals to 0. 5x minus 3y plus 3 equals to 0, and 6x minus 5y minus 2 equal to 0. Solve these two using elimination method. Let it be 1, let it be 2. Now, what is the x coefficient here? 5. Here what is the x coefficient? 6. To make x coefficients are equal in both the equations, what you have to do? Equation number 1 should be multiplied with 6. Therefore, 1 into 6. Why? Because of we are going to make the coefficients of the x in both the equations are equal. Therefore, 1 into 6, it implies that throughout the equation you have to multiply with the 6, then it becomes as 30x minus 18y plus 18 is equal to 0. Let it be 3. Again, 2 should be multiplied with what number? Because of here 6 is there. 2 should be multiplied with a number 5. 2 into 5. That implies that the equation becomes as 30x minus 25y minus 10 is equal to 0. Let it be 4. Now, observe these 3 and 4 equations. What do you observe? The coefficient of the x is 30. The coefficient of the x is 30 in second equation also. Therefore, now first equation should be multiplied with 6 and second equation should be multiplied with 5. Then the first equation becomes as 30x minus 18y plus 18 equals to 0. Let it be 3. Second equation becomes as 30x minus 25y minus 10 equals to 0. Now what do you observe between these two 3 and 4 equations? The coefficients of the x are equal. Now there is a chance to eliminate x from the two equations. Now subtract 3 minus 4. Do 3 minus 4. Then symbols will be changed, signs will be changed. This is it becomes as minus, it becomes as plus, it becomes as plus. Now 30x gets cancelled, nothing is remaining there. Now minus 18y plus 25y, 7y is remaining. 25 minus 18, 7y is remaining. Plus 18 plus 10 plus 28 is there, equal to 0. By using the systematic method in simple equation, we will get this y is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to minus 4. and substitute this y is equal to minus 4 in equation number 1. From 1, substitute y equals to minus 4, we will get x is equal to x is equal to 3 into minus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 5x is equal to minus 15, x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, again, the solution set of these two equations are x comma y is equal to, what is x? Minus 3 minus 4. What is y? Minus 4. This is the ordered pair as the solution of 1 and 2 simultaneous linear equations. Once check it whether it satisfies, that ordered pair satisfies these two or not. 5 into minus 3 minus 3 into minus 4, 12 plus 3, 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. Next come to the replace x by minus 3. Now 6 into minus 3 minus 18 minus 5 into minus 4 plus 20 because of minus 4 into minus 5 plus 20 minus 2 minus 18 minus 2 is minus 20 plus 20 is equal to 0. LHS is equals to RHS. We can do in this way. Substitute 5 into minus 3 minus 3 into minus 4 plus 3 is equal to 0. 6 into minus 3 minus 5 into minus 4 minus 2 is equal to 0. Verified. Verified. These are the steps we have to follow for solving the system of simultaneous linear equations in elimination method.